Hey everybody, Tony with Mountain Comfort RV. Just out walking the lot. They're just starting to plow the lot and get things ready. Still taking some stuff over to the fairgrounds. This week we have the start of the Indianapolis Boat Sport and Travel Show. So just wanted to let you guys know about that. We have tons of stuff on the lot right now. This is kind of when the buying season starts to ramp up, the second show. So we've got lots of great specials, lots of trade-ins, lots of motorhomes. As you can see, we got so many. They're parked in the aisle right now, so we're always eager to make a deal. As you can see, we got a nice Phaeton there. Got some Newmar stuff in on trade, and we're always ready to make some deals. Got a nice Bounder, as you can see. Got a Murata over there. I think this is a Vegas. Yep. Got a Thor Vegas. I think these are really sharp little motorhomes. This is a 24.1 Vegas. I like the look of those. As you can hear, here's our plow. Here it comes. We just finished building our new showroom. So things are still a little jumbled on a lot. We're going to start rearranging once it starts warming up, because we tore down our old building, our old showroom. So that's all going to become parking lot. So we're going to rearrange and make things more accessible, easier to get to. But even when the lot is a little jumbled up, we still are making lots of deals. Back here you can see some of our fifth wheels. We got Road Warriors. I think we got some Torques. Yep, Torque motorhomes. We have fifth wheels and travel trailers. Got some work and play travel trailers down there. So those are always hot sellers. We do sell a lot of toy haulers here at this dealership. And we're really known for diesel motorhomes. Here we carry Newmar and Tiffin. Those are our two big sellers. As you can see, we got some Ventanas here, Dutch Stars, New Airs. We have Tiffin Phaetons. Even have some Coachman sports coaches. There's one down on the end there. These are really nice. Sports coaches really upped their game this year. They're really nice. They have the hidden bunks on a lot of those, which makes it really great when you have kids or grandkids that are coming along camping with you. So we're just kind of doing a little walk around the lot. I actually had to come out and take some pictures of something, so I figured I'd let you guys tag along. Snow's kind of starting to taper off. Over here on this side, you can see some of our North Trail travel trailers. I just took pictures of this guy the other day. This is a 22 CRB North Trail. Super easy to get into step. I won't climb up there. I don't want to get snow inside the motorhome. These North Trails are really nice. I really like the front end. I think the look is really sharp on these, even with the snow on the front. We also carry Class C motorhomes here. So one of the brands that we carry and sell a lot of is Coachman. So we have lots of Freelanders, and those are Class C's and B's. I think we have a couple Leprechauns at the moment. We carry the Tiffin Wayfarer. There's a Concorde right there. So that's nice. And a lot of people are really switching over to the B's and C's, Class B and C motorhomes, because they're easy to drive, they're easy to get in and out of different campgrounds, and a lot of people just prefer them over larger motorhomes. You can see the new Tiburon. It's one of the new offerings from Thor. Tiburons are really nice, really sharp. I like that blue color. And as you can see, our selection of Class A motorhomes just kind of keeps going. I had somebody comment on our Facebook page asking or wishing that we carried more Class A motorhomes at the Indianapolis Boat Sport and Travel Show, and unfortunately we have a limited amount of space at the show, so it's kind of difficult to take, you know, a huge selection because we want to carry a little bit of everything. But you're always welcome to come out here to our lot and take a look at all this stuff. We have a huge selection, one of the largest in the Midwest, so you definitely want to come out and see what we got. And kind of rounding the corner, you can see our new showroom there, our new state-of-the-art showroom. You want to come in and take a look at that. We also have Indiana's largest independent RV parts store now, housed in this complex. So come take a look, come shop. The weather's going to start warming up soon, so you don't want to be left unprepared for camping season, or if you want to come in and trade in, we're always eager to do that. So come on out. Tony Crawford at Mount Comfort RV. Thanks for tagging along on the lot.